Thanks for tuning in. Today I got in the mail a Shure PGA48 cardioid dynamic vocal microphone. Shure, of course, is known for their SM58s, SM48s, a little bit more multi-purpose, very wide range for those, holds up very well. But I opted for this one because I plan on just doing interviews with it. So I went with just the smaller range of recording, so I went with the PGA48. And it was only, I believe, $39.99 on Amazon, and it did include the XLR cable as well. It's a very tight fit. There we go. So the packaging looks very nice on the outside, as you can see here. Set that aside. Alright, first time opening up. Looks like we have our simple instructions, safety precautions rather, warranty, a Shure sticker, very nice, very clean, and some good safety protective bubble wrap. And there we go. That is the microphone itself. And we also get a bag enclosure, good size for the microphone, and the XLR cable along with it, which is very handy. I believe it's 10 foot. I could be wrong, it could be 5 foot, but I think it's 10 foot. Simple Velcro strap and the user guide. Okay. And I guess I'll hold it to where you can see it. So looking at it, talks about the specs, it looks like. I can't imagine that the instructions would be too detailed, as it is a simple switch microphone. So we have our mic stand mount, threads for your mic stand, and looking at the microphone, just good old classic Shure design. On-off switch. Not the easiest to use with your thumb, but simple enough. You shouldn't be switching it on and off much, so that should be fine. Typical mesh ball. And with it, I purchased the simple little foam screen here. Just to kill the peas, popping the peas. And any breathing onto the microphone. And just simply putting it on. Nice and snug fit. And there we go. To fit in the case. Looks like it's going to be a snug fit. But it does in fact fit. In theory. Yes, a very snug fit. But there you are. And with the cable itself, that was my Shure microphone unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like. And any comments or questions, and I'll try to answer those as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.